Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Wells Fargo investments, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying Wells Fargo investments, start by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Log into your Wells Fargo account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Enroll button. Once logged in, navigate to the Investments section of the dashboard. Select the type of investment you are interested in, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Research available investment options by examining details like historical performance and risk factors. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions. You can use Wells Fargo's investment tools to compare different options side by side. When ready, choose the investment you wish to deploy. Click on the Trade or Buy button next to the selected investment. Input the amount you wish to invest and review the summarized order. Ensure that all details are correct, including the investment amount and type. If applicable, select any applicable account to fund your investment. Submit your order to execute the investment transaction. Wait for a confirmation notification once the transaction has processed. Monitor your investments regularly to track performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Keep an eye on market trends to help inform future investment decisions. Maintain a diversified portfolio to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Regularly review and reassess your investment strategy based on your financial goals and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.